welcome to school too.
I'm looking for number 11 Damigoro Street.
Number 11 Damigoro Street. Who are you looking for in number 11?
One Mr. DK.
Mr. DK.
Uzwak.
This is Mr. DK's house.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this is Mr. DK's house.
Oh.
See, I need to be after the money because you always give me story. My money is 5,000 naira. Just give it to me.
Just 5,000 naira.
Just 5,000.
I already have it. You know me now.
Yeah,
Oh, yo. Good afternoon, my dear.
Please, are you Mr. DK?
Hey, of course. Everybody knows me in this place. My name is Mr. DK.
Okay. On May 17th, you came to the general hospital for a test. The result are out.
Listen, that is my test, Abby. I said I'll come to general hospital to come and check the status.
We are NYSC students. We need to leave. We are passing out. So I came to show you your result. You are HIV positive. You have other bad disease. So please, you need to start treatment. This is going to be bad if you don't.
He's HIV positive, right?
Yeah.
And he has many diseases.
There are many.
Okay. Continue.
So please, you need to start treatment very soon.
What? You will end up in McDonald's. You will end up in McDonald's. That's what I meant.
School too.
Hello guys, I'm Tony Livingstone by name. This is School 2 Comedy. As you guys know it, I'm new in the family. So please keep watching School 2 Comedy. We are the best. As you know it, I'm off to the farm.